This is Super Saiyan 4. How the fuck did I get married? How the fuck did I get married? Goddamn. I'm fucking hungry. No, hold on. Let's see what's fucking. Yeah, we need to go grocery shopping, bro. Oh wait, shit. Yeah, oh, fuck.
See, this is what the shit I be talking about. Exactly the shit I be talking about.
What the fuck?
No, don't act surprised now, folk. I have to put up with this shit all the time. You always take shit out of my face and not even give me none. Y'all never give me none. And it don't even be the healthy food choices neither. It be the good shit. Y'all never share shit.
You talking shit and you got food inside you all the time. Pause.
I had a whole ass banana in my shells, bitch.
And I didn't feel like eating a fucking banana. I wanted something fucking sweet.
See, that's that big back shit right there. That's that big back shit.
Motherfucker, I'm a big back. Bitch, you're built like a fucking Series X box. Series X Xbox.
Your crinkle fried face says this man you built like a soft shell she turtle.
I'll plug you right now, bitch.
Wait. Hey.